select the burner you want to light, push slightly in, switch to light, let go, and flip the spark button. And to turn it off, just push it back to off. So for the oven, you have to turn to pilot. Once on pilot, push and hold. It clicks in. You can feel that and see it go in. And then you have to get a lighter while holding the knob on top. You light the pilot button. It's on right now. You keep holding for 10 more seconds. And then you can let it go. And now the pilot light is lit, and you can set the temperature that you want to bake to. So now I've set it to 500, and you can see on the bottom that the flames are on.